Greetings again from Fagersjö on this, let's see what day it is, 29th of November. It is noon and it's a sunny Saturday and it is 8 degrees Celsius in the air. Can you believe the spring is back, the winter is over? Not that fast. So this is how it looks like. The ice is almost melted everywhere. And I think it's going to be quite warm in the water, so I'm going in with the thermometer right away while I show you more around. So this place here was full with heavy ice at the beginning of the week, and now it's basically most of it away, and the rest that it's still here, it is not so thick, you can easily break it through. So it's not so smart to go ice skating right now because you will fall in the lake and have a swim for free. Now I'm already starting the episode with my speedos and swimsuit because it's 8 degrees and sunny, so it feels a lot warmer than that. So it's going to be an amazing, but I still fear that the water is still cold. It was 2 degrees, I think, when I was here last time, when the whole lake was filled with snow. Hopefully it is a bit warmer now. And yes, today's beach day number 160 on my Sweden beach adventures in 2025. So yeah, this is my second best year in sense of number of beach days. Last year I had 215 beach days, and that record won't be broken for a long time unless I stay in Sweden throughout the whole year and don't travel anywhere else, which might be hard, but it's doable because Sweden is amazing. Alright, so let's then get going and enjoy a nice dip here in the lake. But first let's check the temperature of the water before we go in. Okay, still cold, and it's between 2 and 3 degrees. I'm gonna round up to 2, as I guess it takes a lot longer for the lake to get warmed up. But now I'm puzzled because it was 2 also when the lake was frozen. So I'm just thinking if my thermometer is broken. It's not actually, because now it will go up to 8 when it's out here. Okay. Let's then get going. And greetings to all the new subscribers. I got a lot of new subscribers from the videos from my winter baths and ice baths, from the shorts. So I really hope some folks will see also this video to see that those are real and not AI, as some of my followers on Facebook were mentioning. This is real, this is me, this is Chris, and this is Beach Adventures with Chris. But yeah, Fagersjö, I walked here from, I actually went to the gym this morning, for which I haven't been to for a very long time. It was a new gym that I'm testing out, but it was too small, and I will probably go back to the swimming hall where I'm doing also my trainings. Okay, let's then drink some water before I go in. Now I don't need to break any ice, as it's already broken from the hot weather that we are having. So okay, that means that Chris is ready for a dip in the lake Magelungen in Fagersjö, where the temperature of the water is just 3 degrees Celsius. Oh, okay. This is like ice bath, but without most of the ice. So let's go. I can also touch the ice here that you can see. Okay, I'm in. Ice therapy for real. It's amazing. And ready, set, and go. I love it. I love it. Oh, I moved the ice. I did touch the ice right away. That's that's fantastic. That's fantastic. But yeah, it's definitely something, and it's so beautiful. So yeah, that is a wrap from this beach adventure from Fagersjö. It's time for me to do some, to get dressed. But yeah, you can see where the ice went all the way, the one that I put it. It's amazing. Cool, thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.